Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the three major indexes experienced a roller coaster week that saw them early in the week lose quite a bit of ground, with the NASDAQ falling over 5%, the Dow dropping nearly 1,200 points from Monday to Wednesday, and the S&P 500 was unable to escape, losing about 4% itself. However, they did bounce back at the end of the week, but it wasn't enough to overcome weekly losses. And normally we'd start with the S&P 500, but this week we're going to start on the NASDAQ chart, because this week it lost 2.34% on the week, marking its fourth straight week of declines. It started back on the week of the 19th of April. As you see, we've had 1, 2, 3, and 4 straight week where it traded as low as 13,000 this week. Chart analysis score is plus 55, indicating that we're in a true sidelines position based on the red weekly trade triangle that triggered last week at 13,698.67. With that being said, the key level to watch is 14,211.57. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Back out of here, we'll go to the S&P 500, up about 1.4% on the day. However, closed trading at 4,173.85, down 1.39% on the week, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 65, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position based on a new red weekly trade triangle that triggered on the 11th at 4,118.38. Key level to watch should be 4,238.04. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Move along to the dollar index, and we'll change this to a weekly chart. Currently trading at 90.30, up about 0.1% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that overall we're still in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 91.43. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently down 1.14% on the week, trading at 34,382.13, with a chart analysis score of negative 50, indicating that we're now in a sidelines position for the Dow Jones as well. Move this to a daily chart, and we got a red weekly trade triangle on the 12th at 33,687.01, pushing that chart analysis score to negative 50. Key level to watch should be 35,091.56. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. Change this back to a weekly chart. We already took a look at the NASDAQ. Take a look at gold, having back-to-back weekly gains, gaining about 0.6% this week, trading at 1,843.40 with a chart analysis score of plus 70, indicating that we are gaining strength to the upside. However, the long-term trend is still down. Key level to watch should be 1,813.40. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. Take a look at crude oil, currently up about 1% on the week, trading at 65.53 with a chart analysis score plus 85. However, we do have a red daily trade triangle in play. Key level to watch should be 65.81. A move above that level would give us a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for crude oil. We'll back out of here and take a look at the other big story of the week, which is Bitcoin. Many of you know Elon Musk tweeted earlier in the week Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a way to pay for one of its vehicles until they could come up with better mining solutions for sustainable energy for the cryptocurrency. Of course, that pushed Bitcoin down as low as 45,700 on the week, losing just below our 15.9% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 70. So we're still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. It has been quite a volatile ride. Currently right now fighting back, trying to trade right below the $50,000 level. Key level to watch would be 59,603. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.